Hi guys, this is a new video, a request from a viewer. He asked to see the foot pedal work while sewing on the white 3355 sewing machine. So I'm making this for him. Hang on and let me get where I can record it. Alright, if you push on this part of the pedal, you're going to get nothing. If you push on this part of the pedal, you're going to get nothing. See this tab right here? That's what operates the machine. If I push on that with my foot, it sews. You hear it sew back there? But this is the only thing that's going to make the machine sew. So, anyway, like my video, subscribe to my channel, comment below, and I'm fixing to make another video here real quick on how to treat a old machine when you find it, what my sewing machine guy told me to do with my mom's machine that hasn't been used in 30 some odd years. So I'm going to make a video on that next. See ya.